Hey there! So, you've just received your quote from us here at Ongrid, and I wanted to take a couple of minutes to walk through it with you. My goal here is to make sure every single part of this document is crystal clear.
Think of this explainer as your personal guide. We're going to break it all down together so you feel totally confident and excited about the journey ahead. So, the very first step, it's all about choosing the plan that's perfect for you. You know, every amazing home starts with an amazing plan. This is really the foundation of how we'll work together. So let's take a look at the three options we have to find the absolute perfect fit for your vision.
We offer three main packages: Light, Basic, and Advanced Plus. Each one kind of builds on the one before it, adding more detail and support as you go. Let's kick things off with the Light plan.
First up is our Light plan. So, who is this for? Well, this is just perfect if you're in those early stages, just kind of exploring ideas. You get the essential floor plans, with room dimensions, and even a furniture layout. Basically, everything you need to get a solid foundation down on paper.
Next, we've got our basic plan. And honestly, this is our most popular option by far. It's got everything from the Light plan, but with one huge addition: visualization. We give you a realistic 3D view of your home's exterior, which is amazing because you get to see and approve the final look before construction even starts. And finally, there's the advanced plan. Think of this as the all-inclusive, total peace of mind package. For 25 rupees per square foot, you get everything in the basic plan, but you also get unlimited revisions, all the detailed technical drawings. We're talking structural, plumbing, electrical, and 180 days of our remote support while you're building. It's the whole shebang ready for your team.
Okay, now this is a really important point. Your on-grid quote covers all the design services. That's the architectural brainpower, the floor plans, the 3D magic, and the technical drawings for whichever package you choose. What it doesn't include are the physical construction costs, like materials, labor, or government fees. We think it's crucial to be totally upfront about that from day one.
So, once you've picked the plan that feels right, what happens next? Well, our process is designed to be super clear and predictable. Let's actually walk through the journey from a blank page to a finished blueprint.
We break things down into three logical steps. We always start with the inside, the floor plan, because how the home flows dictates everything else. Once you're happy with that, we move to the outside and create the 3D design. And then, for our Advanced Plus clients, we dive deep into the technical drawings your builders will need to get everything just right.
And check this out. This shows you how efficient we are. Once you're all set up and we have all your requirements, you can expect to see your very first design proposal in just 5 working days. We don't want you waiting around to see your dreams start to take shape.
Now, to make that quick turnaround happen, everything relies on smooth online collaboration. So let's talk about exactly how we'll work together to keep you in the loop and in control of your project every step of the way.
The absolute key to our collaboration is your dedicated Google Chat space. Seriously, think of it as your project's command center. It's a private hub where you can chat directly with your designers, share files, schedule meetings. You can see every single update in one organized place. No more lost emails.
And it's this supportive process that our clients like Mayura Singhavi from Maharashtra really seem to appreciate. Our #1 goal is to be your partner, helping you out from that very first sketch all the way through to construction.
All right, let's chat for a minute about some of our policies. I know, policies can sound a bit formal, right? But we really just see them as a clear framework that helps us have a successful and focused partnership.
The first policy is that we do require 100% payment upfront to begin the design work. I want to be super direct about this and also explain exactly why we've set it up this way. So, you might be wondering, why 100% upfront? Well, here's the thing. It actually benefits you. It lets our architects design holistically from the very beginning, thinking about everything from structure to electrical without any pauses. It means your revisions are seamless, and it lets us dedicate our team's focus entirely to your project. It's really all about getting you a better design more efficiently.
And we also have a very clear and transparent refund policy. Look, if plans change, you can get a full refund within 24 hours. There are also options for a partial refund before the custom design work really gets going. It's all about being fair and straightforward.
And there you have it. That's your on-grid quote all explained. Hopefully you now have a really clear picture of the plans, our process, and how we'll work together. The next step is all yours, and we are so ready and excited to start designing your dream home with you.